Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Bob the Builder. This is the Mash and Mold construction site. Wow, this looks like lots of fun. It has 5 tools and over 35 molds. Let's take a closer look. Look, it's Dizzy, Bob, and Wendy. Tiny the crane can form bricks and 10 other molds. The MoldPress garage has 2 custom mold trays. It even has easy to configure pieces. Look at the other mash and mold sets you can collect. There's Rolly, Scoop, and Muck. Look, it's Bob and Wendy. It's a sand stamper. Oh, they're footprints. Wow, Dizzy. Oh, isn't he cute? Wow, he's a mold too. Let's check it out. Wow, it's a crushing machine. Cool, look at the wrecking ball. Wow, it's a mold roller. It's Tiny the crane. He's got molds too. A whole pound of moldable PlaySand. Let's put it together. Oops, sorry, Bob. Look at these cool tools. There's a scoop and a rake. Here comes Dizzy! Bob the Builder. And Wendy too. Let's get started and have some fun. Oh, a safety cone. Look at all those tools. Look, a pile of bricks. Let's slide it into the crushing machine. Wow, look at that! Some more building materials. Look, it's the TNT demolition platform. Look, it's Wendy. Footprints. Oh, there's Bob too. Wow, look at the wrecking ball. It opens and there's a mold inside. Let's fill it up. Wow, look at that. The hammer has molds too. More bricks. Pliers and other tools. Oh look, a bee for Bob. Can we do it? Yes, we can! Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.